if you want to create a starter pack on Bluesky, here's the step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky. Click the three bars at the top left. Click your name, alright? And you're gonna see post, replies, media, likes, feeds, and starter packs. So you have it created now a starter pack, so I'm gonna go ahead and click create, and then just type it whatever name that you want, right? Amar's favorite food feeds and people, let's say culture, right? And then go ahead right here and click next, and then you're gonna choose the people that you want to include them into your starter packs, right? And I have to add 5 more, right? And add 1 more. Hit next right here, and basically choose the feeds that you want to include, right? I'm gonna choose 3, right? And then hit finish, and now you just created your starter pack on Bluesky Social. And now you can just share the link to invite other people to your starter pack. So that's been all the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.